Hey, what's up guys? Mark with Under Pressure Power Wash. Let's take a look at the roof color change already. Pretty nice, huh? This is a very old roof, and it's turning out really nice. Let me show you the process here. We get no runoff whatsoever. Okay, real quick spray here. Let me show you what we're doing. And as you can see, I'm just putting it on there real easy. No big deal. Now let's step back so you can see that there's no runoff. And there you go. We don't use all those crazy extra chemicals in there and stuff like that. Okay, we abide by certain rules set by the organization that makes these tiles. Okay, these asphalt shingles. And as you can see, it's starting to turn color there. Get the color back. And by the way, we offer a 5-year warranty. Okay, we do the job right. We don't kill your plants, and we offer you a 5-year warranty. I mean, come on. 561-907-954.